The body wrap the yarn around your knit finger and then bring it up to index finger. Work into a magic ring. Make loop around your middle finger and pinch the crossover of the yarn. Insert hook into the loop on middle finger. Hook the yarn and pull up loop. A magic ring is formed on the middle finger. In round 1, start with 1 chain stitch, then work for some crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Yarn hook, pull the yarn through the loop and hook. Then work for some crochets. Insert hook into the magic ring, hook the yarn, and pull up loop. The yarn hook pull through both loops. Place a marker in the first stitch. Continue to work 3 more seam crochets. For some crochets done, pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Insert hook into this mark stitch, yarn hook, and pull up loop. Then pull the first loop through the second one. Okay, that's 1 slip stitch. Round 1 is done. In round 2, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work for some crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work for some crochets. Place a marker in the first stitch. Continue to work 3 more seam crochets. For some crochets done. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Make sure to tighten up when working the slip stitch. Round 2 is done. In round 3, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work set off 1 single crochet or increase twice. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 1 single crochet and 1 increase as one set. Work 1 single crochet. Mark the first stitch as usual. Next, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Work 1 single crochet and 1 increase as one set. Keep working 1 more set. Work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 3 is done. The stitches for round 45 are all the same. We'll demonstrate round 4. Please finish round 5 by yourself. In round 4, start with 1 chain stitch, then work 6 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 6 single crochets. Mark the first stitch. Continue to work 5 more single crochets. Six single crochets are done. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 4 is done. Round 5 is the same as round 4. Please finish it by yourself. Round 5 is done.